If you are looking for the best corded circular saw, here is a collection you have got to see. Number 1, most popular. SKIL 5280-01 Circular Saw. The SKIL 5280-01 Sidewinder Circular Saw is especially crafted for homeowners, hobbyists and DIYers. Its lightweight nature ensures that you can use it for a long time without getting tired of holding it. At just 8.7 pounds, it's one of the most lightweight circular saws you'll ever find. A 15-amp motor spins the saw blade up to 5,300 revolutions per minute to help power through cuts easily. The SKIL 5280-01 has a maximum bevel capacity of 51 degrees, and it has a bevel stop at 45 degrees for ease of making common bevel cuts. Number 2. DEWALT D. Number 2. DEWALT DWE575SB Circular Saw. Next we have the DEWALT DWE575SB at a lightweight and compact 8.8 pounds. It is also supported by a brushless 15A motor, which delivers one of the best powers for even the toughest types of applications. With a 2 9/16 inch depth of cut capacity, 57 degree bevel capacity and detents at 22.5 and 45 degree angles, the saw can be used for a variety of cuts and is considered one of the best in its class. This has a tough cord system that provides the saw with 3 times more resistance to cord pullouts when compared to other corded devices. Number 3. Number 3. Makita 5007 megagrams Magnesium 7 1/4 inch Circular Saw. This circular saw from Makita is made out of magnesium to keep it nice and lightweight. When combined with the 15A EMP industrial motor, offering 5,800 revolutions per minute, you get a product with a fantastic power-to-weight ratio. You're also treated to a large cutting capacity of 2.5 inches at 90 degrees, and there are positive stops at 22.4, 45 and 56 degrees, so you can change the angle with ease. It comes with a built-in LED light to help you see the line of cut more clearly. Number 4. SKILSAWS PT77WML01 Circular Saw. The SKILSAWS PT77WML01 has a lot of features that you'll enjoy. It's powered by a 15-amp dual-field motor that's wonderfully dependable. The blade is 24-toothed, and carbon-tipped to provide the best possible performance. This is one of the lightest out there, with a weight of just 11.6 pounds. The saw itself is 7 1/4 inches with a max cutting capacity of 2 3/8 inches at 90 degrees. You also get a cut-ready depth adjustment level that makes it so easy to make little adjustments when cutting different types of wood. Number 5. Bosch CS5 Circular Saw. For the reviews of our best corded circular saws, we have the Bosch CS5 120V 7 1/4 inch Circular Saw. The saw features an enhanced line of sight. This makes the cut easier and much more accurate too. This comes with the left blade design that makes it easy to use for any left-handed person. There is the powerful 15-amp motor that gives it enough rip on the toughest lumbers. With its anti-snag lower guard, the left blade corded circular saw is also capable of reducing snags when you are making narrow cut-offs.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.